Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. I'm just going to talk about Polkadot today for Monday, 20 December. And very quickly, if you're not in the Signals group, join us into the Signals. We're doing some signal taking for Solana as well. We took Dot as well. And right now, at the moment, guys, we took actually Dot when it was nearly $27. Half of it we buy the $27, and we're looking to buy half of that later on. Now, what's the update about today with Dot? And I don't really think that Dot at the moment is looking that bad to go to the downfall. Yesterday though, I remember that I showed you one yellow box, and that was the demand zone. Now there are two places of the demand zone. You can see this was the one yellow box right there. For example, what does a demand zone really actually mean? That whenever you're into that box, there is a certain demand. People are saying that we want to buy here. So if I actually zoom in, you see the prices went up, it came down to the yellow box, had a reaction, and then it went up. The same, likewise, it came again down, had a reaction right here, and then it went all the way up. This one nearly came to that box right there, and then it went all the way up. Now at the moment we are in this demand zone right now. So even if it does come to the $22, that's still a demand zone. Now I'm gonna tell you when where's the next level of the demand zone, where's the next level of this yellow box. I'm gonna go into the rectangle right here, and the next best level for buying again is going to be this place right here. I'm gonna draw this. This is gonna be another level of the demand zone, okay? Because we do have some touches right here, this touch right there, this touch right here, and if it ever actually falls and lose like $21 back test and lose it completely, it is going to fall into that $16 $16 to $17 region. That's the next zone of the demand zone. So buying a little bit here and then buying a little bit there, that's something that I will recommend you guys to do if it ever goes down. But I don't see Polkadot going all the way down to $16, except if Bitcoin does go to $41,000, then it's going to drag this all the way down to this demand zone right there. So at the moment, unless we're not looking at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin I've already updated to my members in the Discord privately that I do see Bitcoin in today and tomorrow probably going to nearly 47,800. So at the moment, Bitcoin is taking a bounce, and I do expect that this is going to take a bounce as well. So on the daily time frame, I do have this white resistance bar right there. Do you see this resistance right here, nearly $22. So on the daily time frame, I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to tell you one thing. If you start closing below this place and backtest and fail it, you're going to have a kiss of death, and you're going to go all the way down, because equally you're going to be losing this falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern, by the way. And if you break out of this falling wedge, I told you the target is going to be $31. Okay, that's the target that we're looking for. On the 4-hour time frame though, I'm going to show you how this falling wedge is being respected. It's respected at every single place. Look, it's very simple to see at this falling wedge. You went down here, had a reaction, went up there, got rejected, had a reaction to the down, went up here, then you had a fake out, and then you came down, and then you went up, another fake out, then you went down, came up, got rejected, then you went down. Look, you are bouncing off here right now. So the next target by today or tomorrow is going to be $24.77, and then who knows, again we go down to the 23, and then finally you break out, or once again I'm going to tell you, if you start losing some level like this one, the falling wedge, go to 21, backtest and fail, otherwise you could have a fake out and go to the upside. So if you actually backtest this one, go like this, you're gonna dump to that $16 and $17, which is another demand zone. Now I'm not really saying that on a long-term target it's never gonna go back up. Now one more thing, I'm gonna bring in the Bollinger Bands as well. Do you see on the 4-hour time frame, the Bollinger, it's hitting the lowest point of the Bollinger Bands, okay? It's hitting the lowest part of it. I'm gonna tell you this one right here. So you see this blue band right here, the lowest blue band, like this one, it has already hit the lowest part, and it has hit the lowest part of this falling wedge as well. So I don't see any other fall at the moment. What I see instead is this one goes up, near to that blue band, which is the upper band, in the next coming 2 days, back to $25 probably. So if you're looking to make another trade, we could actually trade it when it hits this upper resistance line and then have a reaction again to the downside. You can actually make a nice beautiful trade here and then sell it there, buy back when it comes lower. Or you can just keep holding if you guys are holding it long term looking. I'm talking based on a trading perception here and a mind view. So if you're a beginner and you probably don't know how to trade, there's no issue. Don't trade it. Don't force yourself to take a trade that you don't understand. The good thing is that Polkadot is a strong contender in itself that you can just keep holding, have a bird's view. And the bird's view that I like to describe is I want to go to the daily and I want you to be a bird. Okay, zoom out of everything and be a bird here. Just watch it down, look what it does. Because on a higher time frame, it's quite bullish, to be honest with you. It's quite bullish. And I do have a price target for the people who are asking me, hey, Adam Coins, what's your price target? I do see this one going to $123, maybe by the end of the bull run, okay? So that from this place, if you're actually entering here, that's gonna be like nice $380. Now it could even go higher. It could go higher. I'm not saying it's not gonna do that, by the way. Let's confirm on the fibs as well. So from the top here to the bottom right there, let's see where we are finding support right now. Look guys, we're even finding support at the 0.5. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so you're finding support at the 0.5, which is $23. So of course if you lose the 23, look where you're gonna go. You're gonna go to the 19 and probably the $15, which I think you're probably, if you lose $23, you're gonna go all the way down to that $15. And that's where you have that yellow box. Look, that's where you have the next level of support right there. Do you understand that? Now unless you don't lose that, I cannot say it's going to go down. So that's out of the way. And what we want to see for Polkadot is actually it goes back test the $27. And then from here, it's going to go to this $135 region at the 1.618. Who knows? You can get lucky and Polkadot can go all the way to the 2 and hit the $246. But what I would be doing is, if it does go to the $135, if I was you, I would be closing 80% right here and leave 20% for a free run. You can get lucky enough and go here, because greed is a curse. Always learn to close your trade more than opening a trade. So so that's it for today's Polkadot update. Please like this one for the YouTube algorithm so that we can reach more people, and sub to the channel, join the Discord as well. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.